Is it possible to hit 2 new component introductions a day whilst keeping up to 5 micron tolerances? Here at this subcontract machine shop, JWA CNC, they're doing just that by being power users of Mastercam.
So JWA CNC Precision, we are a subcontract manufacturer. Ultimately, we work predominantly in aerospace, making tooling for airfilm cooling holes. Well, the range of components we have is there's like 9,000 part numbers we've got that will come out in some order at some point throughout the years. And we have components that we've been servicing for 30 years that seem to be redundant, then all of a sudden they become really popular again. So we have records for 9,000 part numbers at least, and we're typically doing about 2,000 unique part numbers a year. We've been using Mastercam for 25 years now, and we started out at basic level, 3-axis mill, and through the years we've sort of developed as our skills and demands have got higher, the machining styles have changed. So we worked with 3-axis for a long time, then it's 3+2. We've got the multi-surfacing features, which was fantastic for us for scanning certain features. In more recent years, we've been investing in 5-axis machinery, and Mastercam's been the obvious go-to choice for us on 5-axis machining.
As well as the ease of use from Mastercam helping with recruitment, because they've been using it for 25 years, it's the deep software customization that keeps their setup times as low as possible.
JWA is at quite a high level user of Mastercam. We have very comprehensive tool libraries. We have a lot of default settings set so that everybody's working to the same standard. We have tool reports actively set up so that we can list our tools and create setup sheets. And we have simulations for all our machines so that we can simulate everything we do. All of those things that we have there enable us to do quick, reliable setups, a common standard between whoever does it, producing a program and a method that is pretty typical so that everybody's familiar with the way we work. The value of all that is that our setups are quite easy for anybody to pick up a job that's been done by someone else and make a fast setup time and a reliable process.
Having included every single tool here in their tool libraries means that every program is as close to right first time.
Mastercam really helps us reduce the downtime spent on the machines. Our biggest challenge is the time it takes from finishing your previous job to receiving the first one for your next job is massive. And Mastercam's enabled us to sort of narrow that gap by helping us with the documentation. It does the tool libraries for us, setup sheets. And it's built in a structured way that everyone can follow, really simple to use.
Well, there are a lot of CAM systems out there and they all have their good and bad points. One of the great things about Mastercam is it's so widely used, there's a lot of information and a lot of help available. It's very easy to do research and find answers for problems or challenges in Mastercam where someone else has already been there and documented it or offered advice.
With Mastercam, on average, we're introducing 2 new products into our product range a day, and it's been really useful for us to be able to have the ease of use of the software to do that. It's not necessarily just about new products introduction, it's the fact that I've got it geared up so our junior program or junior machinists don't even need to be a program. They can open up Mastercam and just run the simulation to see what's going to happen when I put this program in the machine.
And how does that help?
It just helps them appreciate what's going to happen. So you can run your simulation on your machine control, but the HAS will just draw you a line. But the Mastercam will show you your part and the features you're producing. So if you're not very experienced in looking at what you're seeing on the HAS machine, those lines don't really mean a great deal unless you're the guy that programmed the job. But if you're not the guy that programmed the job, they're just lines going around. You can't see if there's going to be a collision or where your datum is held in a vise.
So what does it give your operators?
It gives them confidence, really. They probably have to tread less carefully when they're setting up a new job.
What does that mean? Would it bring down time?
Yeah, it brings down the prove-out time, if you like. If they've got an expectation of what's going to happen when I press go, they might run it on 15%, not 5%.
And why is that valuable to your business?
Well, it's less time, again, between your last one and your first one. It's just reduced time, isn't it? And I mean, most people are visual learners anyway. If you've seen something happen, you can probably relate to it better than you can read a description or see a photograph of a part. If you can see the simulation, happen, you're probably a bit more confident in what you're doing. We've got every confidence we'll be using Mastercam 10 years from now, 20 years from now, hopefully. You know, the way they're developing the software is keeping up with the times, and the ease of training new operatives and programmers to use it is really important for us. And I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon.